coronavirus pandemic created quite a challenge for our factory here at Allegro to remain operational while at the same time keeping it safe. As some companies took on work from home arrangements to balance productivity with safety, it was nearly impossible for us. We looked at third-party solutions commercially available, but they needed a significant investment, or the actual units were just not readily available when we needed them right away. Because of these challenges, we decided to develop a couple of apps in-house on the OutSystems platform. We built an app that we use to control the number of people that can access high traffic areas, and built on that to digitize a government requirement to have every single employee, all 2,500 of them, fill out a health questionnaire daily that would track body temperature and symptoms of all our employees. In the end, the in-house developed solution saved the company significant amounts of money, allowed us to realize revenue during this pandemic by keeping the factory operational, and more importantly, it kept our employees safe, all in a matter of a few weeks of development through the OutSystems platform.